Okay, children, so all of you open your English book, course book volume 2. We will learn today about the story, The Rolling Race. Okay, but before that, I will show you the animated video of this related story. Okay, so I will show you the animation before showing you explaining you about the story. Okay,
The Rolling
The
Race.
Rolling Race.
A rabbit
A
and a
rabbit and
turtle
the
were
turtle
friends.
were friends.
The rabbit
The
asked the
rabbit
turtle
asked the
to
turtle
run a
to
race
run
with
a
him.
race.
The
The
race
race
started
started
and the
and the
rabbit
rabbit ran
ran
very
very fast.
fast. See, the rabbit is running very fast and turtle is very slow.
After a while,
After a
the
while,
rabbit
the rabbit
that
saw
the
that the turtle was
far
far
behind.
behind.
He
He
decided
decided to take a nap
and
and
slept
slept
under
under
a
a
tree.
tree. As the turtle was very slow, so
saw
he
the
decided
rabbit
to.
sleeping.
The turtle saw the rabbit
He kept
sleeping.
walking
He
and
kept
slowly
walking and
crossed the
slowly
rabbit.
crossed the rabbit.
The rabbit
The
suddenly
rabbit
woke up and saw the turtle
turtle
at
at the winning line.
The
The turtle was excited and called the rabbit for a swimming race. Now this time the turtle was excited and called the rabbit for a swimming race. The rabbit was scared as he could not swim fast.
Swimming race
The swimming race began. Okay, the swimming race began. The turtle started swimming fast, but the rabbit could not. See, the turtle swimming so fast. But then the rabbit luckily saw a floating log. He caught it and swam very fast. Meanwhile, the turtle kept playing in the water. The rabbit reached faster than the turtle and won the race. Now this time, that's why the story is called The Rolling Race, because the first time the turtle was very slow when he was walking on the field, but suddenly with what he saw, that what the turtle decided, what the rabbit decided, that the rabbit is very slow, so he decided the turtle is very slow, so he decided to take a nap. But what happened after that? The turtle was very slow and he finished the crossing line and the turtle won. Okay, but the next time what happened? The rabbit now decided to swim. Okay, so he wanted to check who can swim faster. So the turtle was swimming and swimming and was started playing in the water. Okay, and then what happened? The rabbit found the log and he luckily, he found a floating log. He caught it and swam very fast. Then what happened? Meanwhile, the turtle kept playing in the water and the rabbit reached faster than the turtle and won the race. So that's why the story is called as the rolling race. Okay. Once again, I will show you. Once again, I will show you. Okay. See again. A rabbit and the turtle were friends. They both were friends. The rabbit asked the turtle to run a race with them. So the race started and the rabbit ran very fast. The turtle is walking very slowly. As you can see, after a while, what happened? The rabbit saw that the turtle was far behind. He decided to take a nap and slept under a tree.
The turtle saw
the rabbit sleeping. He kept walking and slowly crossed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly woke up and saw the turtle at the winning line. This time the turtle won. The turtle was excited and called the rabbit for a swimming race. Now he called the rabbit for a swimming race. The rabbit was scared as he could not swim fast. But
The
then
swimming
the
race
swimming
began.
began. The turtle, see, the swimming race began. The turtle started swimming fast, but the rabbit could not. So after what happened? The rabbit, what he did? The rabbit, see, the rabbit
The
luckily
luckily
saw a floating log. The rabbit caught it and swam very fast. Okay. Meanwhile, the turtle kept playing in the water. The rabbit reached faster than the turtle and won the race. Okay, so this is the story of the rolling race. That is why the story is known called as the rolling race, because here in the first picture you can see a rabbit and a turtle were friends. Okay, they both were friends. After that, the rabbit asked the turtle to run a race with him. What the rabbit asked? The rabbit asked the turtle to run a race with him. Then what happened after that? The race started and the rabbit ran very fast because the rabbit hopped. So the rabbit started running very fast. And as the turtle was very slow, so what happened? After a while, the rabbit saw that the turtle was far behind because the turtle is the slowest animal. Okay. So he decided to take a nap and slept under a tree. What the rabbit decided to sleep under a tree because as he already know that the turtle is very slow, and when he will reach it will be, he thought that there is much time left, so as he is coming very slow, so he decided to take a nap under a tree. So after that what happened? The turtle saw the rabbit sleeping. He kept walking and slowly crossed the rabbit. Now the turtle saw the rabbit is sleeping. So what he did? He kept walking. He kept like that, walking, walking, walking. He was going, okay. And slowly he crossed the rabbit. Then what happened? The rabbit suddenly woke up. The rabbit after that, he woke up and the turtle and saw the turtle at the winning line. See the winning line, you can see the finish line. The rabbit saw that the turtle won the game. Now what happened after that? The turtle was very excited. Why he was excited? Because he won the game. Now he called the rabbit for a swimming race. What the turtle did? He invited the rabbit for a swimming race. Then what happened? The rabbit was scared as he could not swim fast because the rabbit lives on the field. Okay, so he is not a water animal, so he was very scared as he could not swim fast. So then what happened? The swimming race began. Okay, the swimming race began. You can see the picture. The swimming race began. Then the turtle started swimming fast. The turtle, as turtle was the water animal, so he started running very fast. Means he started swimming very fast, but the rabbit could not. See, you can see the rabbit is very hopeless here. Then what happened? The rabbit luckily saw a floating log. You can see here, this is a log, wood log. Okay, it is a floating log. He caught it and swam very fast. Meanwhile, the turtle kept playing in the water. So the rabbit got the log, floating log, and he caught it and he swam very fast. But you can see the turtle started playing in the water. So after that, what happened? The rabbit reached faster than the turtle and won the race. Now this time the rabbit won the race because the rabbit got the log. So with the help of the log, he reached the finish line, and the turtle who started playing in the water, he failed, and the rabbit won the race. So that's why this story is called as the rolling race. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoyed the story very much. And what you will do, you will read the story and you will try to understand in, okay, and to please try to read once again in your home. Okay, children, all of you open your practice book, page number 23, and start writing all these spellings. And first trace the spelling and then write. Number 1, hare, turtle, proud, running, race, fast, nap, swimming, dog, 1. All of you first trace the word and then write the spelling. Okay, children? So, children, all of you open your activity book, page number 18. Activity book, course book, activity book, volume 2, page number 18. See, you can see, put the pictures of the story in the correct order sequence. Okay, from 1 to 6. Number 1 is already done for you. This is the number 2 as the rabbit started.
Completed.
Very good, very good.
Completed.
Okay, children. Okay, okay. I'm telling you, yes. Activity book, volume 2. See, here you have to put the pictures of the story in the correct sequence by numbering them from 1 to 6. Number 1 has been done for you. This one is number 1, as the rabbit and the turtle were friends. Number 2 is the rabbit started the race. And number 3 is the turtle crossed the rabbit and won the game. Number 4 is the rabbit got scared as the turtle asked him for the swimming race. Number 5 is the turtle and the rabbit started swimming. Okay, they began the swimming race. Number 6 is the rabbit won the game. Okay, so this one is the correct order sequence. Now see this, the second one here. Here you have to paste the picture. Who won the swimming race? Who won the running race? So just put the sticker here. Paste the sticker, everyone. All of you did this one.